Today I cook up like a bowl of slush for the dinner.
Bella slush? What's that?
Little bit of this and little bit of that, I throw in the pot and I cook up.
Well, I learned a new word today. By the way, Mom, did you know that today is International Mother Tongue Day?
Mother tongue? How was that?
International Mother Tongue Day is where people celebrate their mother tongue or their native language or the language that they learned growing up. So for you and me, it's Jamaican Patois.
Feel with mother tongue? I feel mother tongue too? Alright. Well, if I feel mother tongue, give me something now. Come, give me something.
Alright. Okay, let me think. Ooh, big up to all of the yardie them who love the Jamaican language and embrace we culture and we heritage.
Just like she said. And I just mother tongue. After we pick the tongue too. And if we teach the language too, no pick them. Make sure pass on the culture and the heritage. Jamaican same thing say so. Bless up.